All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're looking at another Carnegie Mellon practice activity. This one happens to be penalty kick. And what we're doing is basically we are moving the goalie here from side to side. And we have a hint. It says the goalie should move by 15 either to the left or the right on each step. So we're just going to place some code there for that. So that one's pretty easy. And then we actually have our goalie down here, that this is what makes it move. So we really don't have to do much with this. This will already create that. And this is some pretty easy code up here. But if we go look at this and we run it, oops. Oh, because I took out the pass. Okay, so let's go back to solution here a second and run this. Ugh. Okay, so if we move our left and right arrow, you can see that we move the goalie back and forth. The ball's not going to really move, but we're just moving the goalie. So in our canvas, we can remove this. And it's just pretty simple, is if the key, if we press the left key, well, then what we want to do is we want to say that the goalie speed, now up here it talks about 15 either to the left or to the right, so that's pretty straightforward. I'm going to start with negative 15 because if you look at the x and we go to the left, x gets smaller and smaller. Okay, so we're subtracting from x. And then the other if is going to be for the right key. Same idea. Oops, not there. And then same exact thing. Speed x is going to be, but instead of negative 15, this one's going to be positive 15 because that's going to allow us to move that goalie from left to right. And again, we don't have to do anything with this. This creates the speed for this. So if we run this, we go left and right, and now our goalie moves. Okay? All right, so pretty simple, straightforward, just two ifs, left and right, and then changing the speed. So hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.